What's up, guys? Happy Thursday. Today is May the 21st. We are out here in the East Atlanta, Decatur area. This is a new client. I came out about 2 weeks ago, did an in-home consultation. They found me online. 789 square feet, screen recoat with UV cure. Also, shout out to my guys, Christian. They came out this morning, moved the furniture, and they're going to be back this afternoon between 6 and 7 and move the furniture back. So let me show you what we got going today, guys. We got a good one. All right, guys, so we're out here again in the lovely East Atlanta, Decatur area. Kind of the area that I grew up in, and I'm thinking, me and my wife actually thinking about moving back to this area in the next couple years. So anyway, guys, we got these floors right here. You can tell these are the original floors. And these floors, as you can see, I want to zoom in, has a lot of wear of the polyurethane. You can see where they had a rug right there, all right? And they're gonna put the rug back. But coming on into this kitchen, man, it has really taken a beating in these high traffic areas. See that right there? See that? So I got T setting up. We're gonna get the vacuum hooked up. So we got this right here. Then we got this small hallway. And then we have a bedroom back here, which isn't too bad. But again, looking, you can see a lot of wear of the finish. So we're gonna get this floor looking really, really good, guys. All right, and then after this, I have a consultation in Alpharetta for a client that used me last year, where one of my sanding crews sanded their floor, but they just did the kitchen. They just sanded the kitchen, but now they want to get the rest of the house screened and recoated. So I'm gonna go out there and give her a quote for that when we're done here. All right, guys.
Yeah, East Atlanta, Decatur,
Truman,
one day floors.
one day floor,
Ay, ay, ay.
one day floor.
Movers came early, house look empty. Client online search, now they rockin' with me. Pants spin fast, hear the flow way up. Client thought replaced, now they shot, that's what. Snare hidden fan, outside clean. Blue and yellow lights, yeah, the setup mean. Deep scratches, traffic lanes warm. UV cure flash, now the flow's reborn. Screen recall,
UV cure,
furniture back,
same day, service,
no dust.
no sand.
Truman Hardwood,
We the man, we the man.
beat drop back, snare and clap. I ain't got a sand, still saving the wood. East Atlanta client said it looked too good. Movers pulling back, house smell fresh. Client looking happy, no downtime stress. Kids in the background,
Round and round,
watch it shine. Float look wet, but the finish dry. UV machine glow, light beam fly. Truman,
one day floor,
back by dinner.
no dust,
No mess, did them floors look better?
one day floor,
East Atlanta, Decatur,
one day floor.
one day service. Furniture back, yeah.
All right, guys, that is going to do it. Floors look so much better. Got some great protection on these floors, as you can see. Nice satin finish. Now over here, the kitchen came out great, but you see this line right here? I did point this out to my client, and before I went to the last step of the coat, of the rag coat and the UV cure, I pointed this out. Now my sanding guy, I actually sent this to one of my sanding guys. He said, Courtney, I think this kitchen has been sanded and they just kind of stopped right here because they did used to have a door here. I think this is just a lot of water damage because this is the most worn area throughout the kitchen. But you can see how much better it looks compared to before. But I think this is just too much cleaning with no protection on the floor, and the water damaged the wood, okay? Like a pet stain or a big water stain or plant stain, because it's kind of light back here, but right in these high traffic areas, see how it gets dark? almost like two different woods, but it's the same wood. I think just so much cleaning over the years, and that's why I do explain, let people know education. When you're cleaning your floors, your wood floors, technically you're not cleaning the wood, you're cleaning the coating that protects the wood, just like a paint job. You're not cleaning the metal of the paint, or you're not even cleaning the paint, you're cleaning the protection that protects the paint. So they got some great protection on this floor. So when they clean the floor using our cleaner, they're going to be just keeping that coating clean. But when the floors start to wear, guys, this is why screen and recoat is such a valuable service, because it gives the floors new protection without fully sanding. Now, in order to remove this, they would have to fully sand the floor, and I did tell her the price, and it would take about 3 days to do it. But she said, Courtney, we'll just worry about that down the road. Look at the bedroom. Bedroom came out amazing. Okay. Also here, now this is a different floor. This is a pine floor. And this is, of course, red oak, which is the most popular floor that we see here in Georgia. So coming through here, guys, it don't look too bad, but when you hit the angle, you see right there. So that's what I think it is. Aaron said he think it's been sanded before. I think it's just water damage from cleaning the wood, and that wood the water getting into the wood and staining it. And then when we put that coating on it, it highlights it. All right, guys, that's going to do it. Thanks again for watching. Tomorrow we are off, but I do have 2 in-home consultations. Guys, I'll tell you, man, I feel so good. One of the consultations I'm doing tomorrow is a repeat client, a client that I serviced 2 weeks ago. They have me coming to look at the house that they're moving into, okay, because they put their house on the market. And then another client house that I did, the house that they're moving out of, they put that house on the market, and they referred me to the new homeowners. So, guys, it just feels good of people, that's what Tavares said. He said, man, lately I've been noticing a lot of people have been calling you back to do other projects or other homes. And that lets me know that I'm doing something good. All right, guys, thanks again for watching. See you in the next one.